Hi there, and welcome to week 3 of our online learning, online teaching. If you haven't heard, we are going to be finishing the semester online, and so I did send you a couple of things this morning, which I'll talk about here in just a second. But first things first, for Monday, April 13th, in order to get to today's class materials, you're simply going to click on Course Content. And then you'll notice the week 3 materials are right here in this folder, Monday 4/13, and I went ahead and posted Wednesday's materials as well. If you'd like to work ahead, feel free to. I'm going to click on this folder. And you can see the assignments for today, Monday, April 13th. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click here and read through this sample argumentative essay. Sorry, you got to click twice here. But when you get to it, though, you'll notice that it is, in fact, a sample argumentative essay. It does have some notes over here on the left and sometimes on the right-hand side. You'll notice the proper MLA format. So what I want you to do, though, I want you to not only read the information on the sides, but I also want you to read the paper itself, because then once you are done, and I'm just going to scroll through so you can see how long it is. Right, it's a little bit longer than our max. We aren't allowed to go over 3 pages, so keep that in mind. 2 pages minimum, 3-page max. And then your last page will look like this, will be the works cited page. So once you've read through that sample essay, then we're going to go back. Go back to course content, week 3. Okay, so then after you have read the sample, you're going to do the discussion questions. And you can simply write your answers on a sheet of paper, or you can type your answers. If you write your answers on a sheet of notebook paper, just snap a quick picture with your phone and email that to me. Or if you type it, go ahead and just email it to me. Same thing, perfectly fine. Then the next thing you're going to do, I want you to go through these introduction notes. Again, you've got to click twice. And it brings you to, I don't want to call it really a lecture, but essentially it talks you through what you need to have in your introduction for your argumentative essay, because that's what we're going to focus on today. I'd like for you to click on these 2 links from 2 of the best writing centers other than Purdue, and read information about the introductions there. And then I've just given you some more notes here to follow along, a little video example to watch, and then a sample introduction for the argumentative essay at the end of those notes. Okay, so then after you've read through the notes, okay, then your assignment for today then is to set your paper up in MLA format and to type just the introduction. If you decide to type more than that, perfectly fine, but I do want you to get your introduction and your paper set up in MLA format today. All right, if you have any questions, please log on to the live video conference at 7 p.m. tonight. Again, what I do, I just sit there with my camera on until somebody joins or somebody has a question. If you don't have any questions, certainly don't feel obligated to join, but if you just want to chat or if you have some questions about the sample essay, the discussion questions, the notes, please make sure you log on. And one more final thing here that I want to talk about, or actually I got 2 more final things. If you have not had a chance to post your thesis statement here, on the Linotype board, you can see in yellow, these are the thesis statements, and then in blue, I went in and gave you some feedback. If you haven't posted your thesis, please try to do that first before you jump into the materials for today. That way I can give you some good feedback on your thesis statement. The only other thing you probably noticed in your email, this would be in your Longview email. I did create today, I did create each of you a folder that we are going to use for the portfolio. Again, this course is a pass-fail course based on the portfolio that you submit. And so I sent you that link in your Longview email. All you have to do here, I'm going to use Sarah's as an example. So when I click on Sarah's, okay, and then what she's going to do, she's going to click on this new button over here, File Upload, and then she's going to click on her particular essay. I don't know, maybe this is the summary she wants to use. And that will put a copy of her paper straw summary in this particular folder. And so when you get a chance to start adding a summary, And then when you're done with your compare contrast, we're going to add that here to your portfolio as well as your argumentative essay. So if you check your email and you see something in there for a link to this, this is what it is. It's your portfolio that I'm going to submit to the university for the pass-fail I guess, examination. And so if you'll go ahead and start uploading things, if you'll go ahead and choose what you feel is your best summary. Right now I feel like that's probably all we can put in there. And then later on we're going to add your compare contrast once we've got it corrected, and then we'll add your argumentative essay. All right, friends, again, if you have any questions, please make sure you join the Zoom meeting tonight. And I'll try to answer any questions I can, or feel free to give me a call, give me an email, whatever you need to do to get a hold of me. All right, friends, I'm here to help, so let me know if there's anything you need. All right, take care.